So, real quick today, I just wanted to share how reactions and how when you react properly and you think things through, not only do you help yourself, but you help others. And I think I shared a while back, maybe a couple of weeks ago, a story about two girls that I was working with who were good friends, and one was anorexic and didn't want her friend to know. So, every time they had plans to go out and do something, she kept canceling on her. And her friend just got so annoyed, made it about herself, didn't ask questions, didn't try to find out why her friend kept canceling, just decided to end the relationship. And it really, really hurt this girl. She went into a deep depression, and thankfully she was okay, and they were able to make up and make amends and work things out. But, this one girl's reaction of, hey, I'm upset, she keeps blowing me off, I don't want to hang out with her, she's not a good person, she's not a good friend, like that was the immediate response that she jumped to, as opposed to saying, hey, listen, what's going on? Like, why do you keep canceling? Is everything okay? Imagine if her friend was able to say to her, actually, no, everything's not okay. I'm struggling with something and my parents don't know and I don't know how to deal with it. And she bears her soul to her and tells her she's anorexic and allows this other girl to get her the help she needs. I mean, that's a win-win for both parties. So sometimes we have to ask questions and we have to think before we react, because things are not always what they seem. Just look what's going on the news today. You see clips and you make assumptions, but then when you realize what's going on, there's so much more to it. So always ask questions and always think before you react. Have a great day.